Favre Leuba, one of the oldest names in Swiss watchmaking, is back in the spotlight. After its big revival at Geneva Watch Days 2024, the brand continues to build on its legacy of rugged tool watches. And this time, it's going green. Meet the Sea Sky Revival Green Dial. The Sea Sky Revival takes direct inspiration from Favre Leuba's 1960s chronographs, a golden era for mechanical tool watches. It carries over the distinctive tri-compax layout, piston-style pushers, a notched bezel, and sharply angled lugs, all wrapped in a 40mm stainless steel case that's water-resistant to 100 meters. But the real eye-catcher here is that sunburst green dial, contrasted by three black recessed subdials. A crisp white tachymeter and telemeter scale frame the dial beautifully, while green glow superluminova keeps it legible in low light. Inside beats the FLC-01 caliber, a top-grade automatic column wheel chronograph based on La Jouperet's L112. It runs at 4 Hz, packs a solid 60-hour power reserve, and shows off a heat-blued column wheel, Geneva stripes, and a rose-gold open-worked rotor through the sapphire back. The Sea Sky Revival Green Dial blends vintage charm with modern precision, a vibrant tribute to Favre Leuba's adventurous spirit. It's priced at €3,950 and comes on a sleek black leather strap with quick-release pins. So, what do you think of this green dial revival? Bold enough to stand out, or just the right touch of vintage cool? Let me know in the comments below.